Major protection.
What?
Dito, oh. Meron mo kami.
Ano masama dyan?
No, I know, man. Wear that hat. That's gamitin mo yung rice hat.
I don't think so.
Shit.
Where's my shades? Actually, I got my shades again too. It's in there.
Saan si Pedro?
Ewan ko doon.
Umebak yata.
We're supposed to leave at 6. I woke up at 5.
Yeah, I woke up at 5:15.
Yeah, and then I saw the one was outside. Just laid there.
Yo, you should have awakened everybody.
Kala mo, meron di pa rin ako.
My alarm went off like.
Oh, yeah. Ayun na.
Ready? I'm
Ayun
gonna
na.
go to the house now. Oh, do you have a
There, I got another hat there if anyone needs a hat. Matt, gusto mo ba ng hat na ganito?
I keep thinking it's
Mayroon akong extra eh. I mean, I got one right there.
Farmer John hat.
Huh? Bless you.
Sorry.
O game na, load na tayo para makalis tayo.
Wait, so Jeannie, where are we ready? I have no idea. Bobby, where are you ready?
Third, sabi ko ganito eh. Tayong tatlo ni Dino doon sa kotse niya, tapos silang pito dito.
Ano?
Kasi pupunta tayo sa, ano ba yung club na? Sacramento?
Oh, yung sa yung boxing?
Hindi, yung kung saan sila galing.
Oo.
But my Kitty Cat Club. Really? Around there? They have like what?
No, you know those number girls?
Go, yeah?
The number girls at the fight, they were hot and they're like from some club.
One
They're
went up
girls?
and fell down several times.
Yeah,
What's
kakaya.
the saying?
No, because she was wearing like heels that were like yung dito pa lang sa front eh, ganyan nakataas eh. Eh yung sa likod siguro mga 1 foot.
They call those like the ethnic shoes.
Yeah, nah, well, hooker shoes.
Yeah, I think they were Draco because I was watching them. They had beards.
Oh, yeah.
They had several.
And he goes, time for
So no.
Yeah.
So tayong apat nila Julie at ikaw doon, tapos sila lahat doon. Di ba? Okay ba? What? No, it's actually we're 10. So it's 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Third.
Is Alex there now?
Yeah, he said yeah.
6 and 4.
Actually, if you think about it, we should take another car. So we can have a lot of stuff. And let's get
Oh.
and then we stop.
Jules, pack it up in the Camry already. Buy your Camry.
I'm running the camera. What car? This one?
Kasi.
Well, no, if you think about it, though, that's probably more.
I need the key.
O, so tatlong kotse tayo.
Yeah.
So, tiga. Dino.
Mommy, nandun tayo sa booth. You wanna...
Ha?
Unlock yung alarm.
Tiga.
It's alarm. Wait, Matt. It's alarm. May alarm.
Parang lang, parang.
Parang isa
Na-video siya niya.
Si Julie, iba yung na-video ko na revelation niya.
Nagmura siya.
Yeah, hindi. She was... Yeah, she was so excited watching Wes win.
Oh my gosh, naiiyak ako.
And then I was videotaping the fight, so I had it like this. And then she whispers to me. Well, she didn't whisper. She like said it out loud.
No.
Sabi ko sa kanya, you know, I'm videotaping this.
Oh my gosh.
Sa YouTube lang.
Is there a way that, you know, somebody was asking, di ba, ipopost yan, but then, i-cover mo na yung music, hindi na ano yung nagsasalita. I think Diane said, yeah.
Say that again.
Like, kunyari, di ba, you're recording everything,
Yeah.
and then when you post it, and you just want music on it.
Pwede.
I was
Yeah,
asking Diane to,
Yeah, you could dub it.
yeah.
But I don't know how.
Yun na nga, Diane says you could do it.
Yeah.
Kasi like si Manny, di ba, he took us when we were like in Boracay, di ba, yung the party, and ganyan, tapos, sinasti Angelica, kagawin yun, di ko nga inaano, kasi naririnig ko lahat ng conversation, eh, parang, wow.
Hindi, pero ano ganito. YouTube doesn't allow you to use music that's made by somebody without their permission.
Oh, that's,
So,
kailangan
pwede kang generic na palagay mo lang.
Do, re, mi, ganyan.
Whatever. What are the sounds that people listen to? Yung mga, alam mo yung mga mga rave ba yun or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
Yun, parang walang title, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun, pwede yung mga ganun.
Ah,
But if you use somebody's song,
right.
they'll ask you to remove it.
Very
Which is
interesting.
just
Yeah, I
copyright
guess, yeah.
infringement kasi. Di ba? Oh, mama, ano? Just getting ready to go rafting.
Dina, the door is open.